Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable Windows Media Player in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Select View by small icons. Click Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows features on or off. Check Media Features. Include Windows Media Player. Click Close and exit. Click Start Settings. Click Apps. Click Default Apps. Click Groove Music under Music Player. Select Windows Media Player. Click Movies and TV under Video Player. Select Windows Media Player. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.